Good to see you all students of CBSE 8th standard once again. So I have been putting the video on this chapter factorization, and now this particular video is for exercise 12.1 question 3 and Roman letter 4. Let's see what is that particular question in the book. That particular question is here, Roman letter 4. That is 15pq plus 15 plus 9q plus 25p. I'll just snip it and put it in this or Microsoft OneNote so that we can easily start writing the solution now. So the solution here, we need to write the first as it is 15pq plus 15 plus 9q plus 25p. So we need to group this as, so this is term 1, 15pq is term 1 and plus 15 is term 2 and plus 9q is term 3 plus 25 is term 4. So you can just group it T1 and T1 as group 1, T3 and T4 as group 2. So this is equal to group 1, term 1, comma term 2 plus group 2, which is done with the term 3 and term 4. That means which is equal to 15pq plus 15 is put inside the bracket as group 1 plus 9q plus 25p is put as group 2 within the bracket. So the common factor in this group 1. What is group 1 common factor? It is obvious that I just missed it. PQ it is, okay. So the common factor between this T1 and T2 is 15. We are bringing it outside and then balance available is PQ plus 1. Plus here common factor is whatever is common factor here. So are we getting any common factor here? 9 is there, 9 and 25. Do we have any common factor? No. Q and 25p. Okay, Q and P, is there any common factor? There is nothing. So we need to write it as 9Q plus 25p as it is. So when we factorize this, we are just getting it here 15 like this. So this step will not work out because we need to get the factorization in terms of multiplication of F1 and F2, which we are not able to get it. So how to group it also, we should learn it, okay? Now we'll just write, one second, I'm just pasting that. So solution is 15pq plus 15 plus 9q plus 25p. So you just see the numbers, compare the numbers. 25p, which is a multiple of 5. So we need to take any number which is the multiple of 5 and which is a multiple of p, 25 into p. So this means 25 into p, correct? So which is a multiple of 5 and p. So multiple of 5 and p is this one. So we'll group it as here, term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4. So we need to group 1 as term 1, comma term 4. This one we will group it together as group 1. Group 2 we will term it as T2 and T3. So this is T2 and T3. So what is group 1 of T1 and T4 is 15PQ plus 25P. Then plus group 2 is term 2. What is that? 15. And what is term 3? It is 9Q. So in this, now this is the revised term 1. This is the revised term 2. Let us consider like this. So what is the common factor of reversed term 1? Which is, you can say 5. Okay. So how to write this? 5 when I'm taking it outside. So this is 3PQ. So instead of taking 5 alone, we can just take this 5P, which is common factor. 5 also there in the first term, 5 also there in the second, 5 also there in the second term, P also there in the first term, P also there is in the second term. So 5P will just take it out, which means 3 into Q plus, and this is 5 plus, here between 15 and there are only numbers terms only we can compare, because in this term 15 there is no variable term like P and Q is not there. So we need to take out the number term which is common between 15 and 9. In this we can just say whether 2 will be coming, no. Whether 3 is coming, yes, it is there. More than 3, there is nothing common. So 3 into 5 is 15. So I'm putting 5 instead of 15, because when you have taken out 3, balance is 5. 3 into 5 makes 15 plus, and 3 into 3 makes 9. So 3 I'm just putting, and Q. Okay. So now you can just see very clearly 3Q plus 5. And this is also when you write it in the reverse direction, 3Q and 5. So these are the common factor. Like this, you need to get it. Okay. So now 3Q plus 5 is the common factor among these. So we'll take it outside. And what is left out here is 5P. Okay. So I'll just write 5P. And this particular symbol plus, we need to write it as it is. Then left out part in this term is 3. So we have got, what is this? 15PQ plus 15 plus 9Q plus 25P equal to 3Q plus 5 into 5P plus 3. So what is the conclusion we have to write? Conclusion is 3Q plus 5 and 5P plus 3 are the factors of the given algebraic expression 15PQ plus 15 plus 9Q plus 25P. Okay. So whether what we have done is correct or not. So what skill we have to use as per my repeated communication to you all? Yes, exactly. That skill is self-evaluation. Self-evaluation skill. Because after you write the final test, nobody will be there to guide you step by step. Whatever you have done is correct, and final answer, whatever you brought it, whether it is correct or not, nobody is there to tell. So you need to evaluate your step by step answer by following the verification process. So that verification process. What is that? Factor 1 into factor 2, which is equal to, so what is factor 1 here? Factor 1 is this 3q plus 5 into what is factor 2? This 5p plus 3, which is this is your binomial 1 and this is your binomial 2. So as per your skill, whatever you learn from your algebraic expression and identities chapter, you need to use that. Binomial 1 into binomial 2 is term 1 of binomial 1 into binomial 2 plus term 2 of binomial 1 into binomial 2. What does it mean? Term 1 of binomial 1, what is this? This is 3q. Okay, so we'll write it as 3q into what is binomial 2? This is binomial 2. So that is 5p plus 3 plus term 2 of binomial 1. What is that? This is plus 5. So we'll write it as 5 into what is binomial 2? That is 5p plus 3, which is equal to 3p into 5p. So this actually we are doing monomial into binomial. Here also monomial into binomial. So 3q into 5p is 15pq. And this plus symbol we need to put it. 3q into 3 is 9q. Then this plus as it is, we need to bring it here. And 5 into 5p is 25p. Plus 5 into 3 is 15. Now just check this 15p, whether it is belonging to any term of this original expression. Yes, the first term 15pq, whether it is available in our final answer. Yes, this is our term 1 of original algebraic expression. So what is the second term in our original expression? This is plus 15. Yes, this is also available, term 2. And third term in our original algebraic expression is plus 9q. Yes, it is available here, term 3. And fourth term in our original algebraic expression is 25p plus 25p. Yes, that is also available in our verified answer. So we have got all term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4. All 4 terms we have got as it is. So finally we need to write it as, thus my answer is verified as okay. That's all, children. And I hope you enjoyed this particular video. If you are a student watching this particular video after subscribing my channel Max by DPAB, okay, then thank you very much for that. But if you are watching my channel without subscribing, it's my kind request. Please subscribe my channel Max by DPAB and press this bell icon button so that you will get notification on whatever videos I am putting every time. Whenever I'm putting a new video on this for CBSE children or anybody else, this will be coming to your notification. Yes, there is a new video. You can just go through and get the benefit of that. And particularly if you like this video, please press this like button when you see this UT video. So somebody has asked how to see this like button, all this. So I'll just support them by making this possible. So how to find out that? This Google, when you go there and when you open that your YouTube channel, you can just see here any YouTube channel. Okay, I'll just type here Max by TPAB. If you type it, then you will be getting my channel like this. And this particular video, let us say this particular video you are seeing now, this will be coming like this. And you will get this subscribe button like this. You will be getting this. Please press this. You will be able to subscribe this. And this is your like button. And this is your share button. If you like this particular video, you want to share it to some of your friends, then click here. You will be getting this link like this, HTTPS, all this blah blah blah, everything is there. Just press the copy button, then you will be able to get it like this. If you want to paste it in your note, you can just paste it in your OneNote like this, and then you can send it to email. If you are not able to send it to by email, or if you want to send it through WhatsApp, then select WhatsApp. If you want to share it through Facebook, please share it. Email, any other email you have, please send it like this. Okay. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.